thank God for His plans for us, allowing us to be together tonight. Wala akong nakita mo sa day, nasa Kabakan, Marussia. Welcome all of you here. Thank God for allowing us to gather here tonight to fellowship and thanks or to whatever we have to do tonight. And I hope you guys enjoy the activities or whatever you will be doing tonight and be safe. As us all, just the travelers, welcome home. And we also wish you good luck on your trip to wherever you're heading to. Before we start our activities or meal, whatever is prepared for tonight, I want to ask somebody to volunteer. You're willing. I'd like you to volunteer to pray for us. Bless what's going to be happening tonight, as well as our time together, our fellowship, and the food that we'll share tonight. So for our safety protection, I ask whoever wants to pray for us. Anybody? I know some of you are preparing to go to a revival gathering, right? So you should be preparing your spirit, and in that preparation, I hope you're ready to pray. Practice praying when you go to the revival worship. I'm sure you'll be praying too. So for those who will be traveling, I'm going to ask one of you to volunteer. You start right now. You? Okay, so it's going to be Inibet. Huh? Inibet, you going to pray for us? All right. General wants to pray. The general come up here. But they're not traveling. Are you traveling? General is not going to be traveling. Pray for those who are going to stay. Right? You get pray for those who are going to travel. And everything that we're going to be doing tonight, ask for protection and God's blessing upon us. Right? So now, General, we're going to start. about it and you can start